This tutorial review will show you how to set up an auto reply message in Gmail. If you will be away from your Gmail account, like on a vacation or without access to the internet, you can set up a vacation responder to automatically notify people that you won't be able to get back to them right away. When people send you a message, they will receive an email response containing what you've written in your vacation auto reply section. So first of all, open your Gmail and click on Settings and click on See All Settings and scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here you will find this vacation responder section. So first of all, we have to enable this option by selecting this one, vacation responder on. And now fill in the date range and you can set a last day. And enter here the subject. And here write your message. Under your message, check the box if you only want your contacts to see your vacation reply. And then click on Save Changes. And this is how we can set up an automatic message in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.